Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to review the Brust of Colors mini event. You can earn keycards by completing Battle Pass missions. You can also purchase premium keycards from this section. You can try your luck in the colorful containers. In the first container, you can get colorful prizes with the keycards you collected. Ehrlich 2050, 127mm. Next generation 2-barrel 127mm gun. Fires high-velocity projectiles. Legendary Camouflage Elegant Peonies, which is one of the rarest camouflages in the game. Epic Passion Camouflage, inspired by the romantic atmosphere of Valentine's Day. Epic Carnival's Face Flag. Avatar Delight of Dance. The second container with more exciting and diverse prizes is the Premium Colors container. One of the best gifts is the Turkish destroyer TF-2000. Its equipment includes 4 missiles, a cannon and 4 torpedoes, plus strong air defense. Another valuable prize is the JS Maya Destroyer, a fast, small ship that can be annoying with missile spam.
This is not a drill. Open missile silo hatches. Prepare for launch. Early, 30 degrees. Engage damage control
Scorpion helicopter is a VTOL duct fan rotor combat helicopter. Has heavy armor and 2 machine gun turrets. Pan-Spatial Dragon Wing. Variable geometry aircraft designed to provide the versatility and access of a helicopter, with the range and endurance of a fixed-wing aircraft. Berserker Legendary Camouflage. Legendary Camouflage City of Life. Legendary Arabian Gold Camouflage. Legendary Gorilla Camouflage. Legendary Lizard Camouflage. Legendary Clover Camouflage. Carnival Whirlwind Epic Camouflage. Golden Ligature Epic Camouflage. Pixel of Valor Epic Camouflage. I hope you get lucky in this mini event and win colorful prizes.